Good morning! Hi mga kumari! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to this video. And yeah, today's the day. Today is September 17, 2020 and this will be the photo shoot day for Hello Glow's promotional materials. So tomorrow we have a video shoot and today will be the photo shoot. So I'm about to do makeup. Ta-da! So I'm back and I'm done with makeup. So the reference that they gave me was to kind of go for this kind of like peach and then like just glowy, soft, near no makeup look, but I'm guessing that they also have a really harsh strobe like mine at the studio, which is why I had to make it a bit more defined compared to if I were just doing makeup for like selfies on the phone or something. So yeah, I'm done with the makeup. So yeah, I have here some of the clothes that I wanted to bring. Mostly we were just asked to bring tube tops and tank tops, but I also just brought like silk pajamas in case, because like I don't know, like skincare shoots always go well with silk pajamas. And I also just have my things, so I just brought like a pouch of my spare makeup, as you can see. Yeah, just like so that if I need to do retouching at the studio, they can use my makeup so that my exposure to like what is not my makeup is lesser. And I also have like my other stuff, my PPE inside of that bag. Hi everyone, so we're now here at the EBCI offices and we're at the makeup room, but I already have my makeup done. So we are done with hair and we have already made mermaid waves. Hi! And we are now with Denise, Lord of Hello Glow.
Just your brand owner and the salesperson. And we're so happy to have Mary here.
Yay! So today we're going to have a shoot and we're going to shoot all of the new products.
The new product. So,
not just the existing ones.
so she gets the first look at everything.
Yes.
And then I think tomorrow we'll be back for a video.
Yes.
And we're super happy to have Mary because she's the best.
Yay! So it's finally time to shoot my footage. So now they're going to do light tests and yeah, testing everything. Okay. Hi. Let's go. Hello, so I'm now wearing this pink blouse. So this is the second outfit and I am waiting for the next layout to be shot. Ta-da! So I went back to the first outfit because apparently we gotta go back to the first outfit. We're gonna have a group shot and yeah, just a short retouch of my makeup and then I'm gonna be putting on the mask and the face shield back on again.
Naka-white
Yeah. I'm your personal vlogger. How do you feel?
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
This is Mari's vlog, by the way. Hi, vlog. For Mari.
Ready? I see her. Guys, 1, 2. Big fan, big fan. Love it.
Gusto ah.
Muna mas pasok ka pa. Yes. Yes. Love it.
Makto. Makto. I'm loving it.
Isa na.
Oo,
One more joke.
Ito nga yung bate mo.
Did you hear that joke?
Palit tayo.
No, I have to respect Mari's camera.
Or yung box. Kaso mataas. Masyadong mataas. 6 photos.
Ready? Naya na lang. Okay, angles nyo don't forget.
Yan. Nawala sa frame.
Hindi na pasok tayo. Masuko na lang, babalik tayo.
Babalik tayo sa atin. Wait, paano nasa gilid na nawala na siya?
Sige, adjust na.
Pumanto to.
Kanya-kanya nga silang ano.
Siya ba yung ano,
Stage
alakit na may
Kailangan yung ano mo, yung highlight mo, sino lang yung napakal-out na
Okay, ready? Here ha. Mas close na tayo.
Close niya, parang,
Yan.
yan. Advert mo.
Victoria na ako kayo.
Oo. Cosmopolitan. Candy Cutie.
Girl, nasa the hand movement ha. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Love it. Marie, I hear ha. Then Nina, I hear. Love it. So good. Okay. Next time.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Salamat po. So they are now shooting the next layout over there. And I'm waiting for my turn. Tada! So I'm actually at the balcony of the 8th floor. And it's actually a really nice balcony.
Sige, anong ever Luna? May mga Korean baby hairs na po tayo. Baby hairs. Baby hairs. Baby hairs. Baby hairs. Hi to Gio, hi to Richa, hi to Berna. Hi. We're just waiting for their hair to be done and we're going to shoot the final layout for today. Yay! So that's a wrap. And we are now finished with all the layouts. And they have other things to shoot. But as for day 1, we are finished. Good morning! So today is day 2 of our Hello Glow shoot. And today will be the video shoot. So that's why I got this top going on because we're going to be doing a white outfit shoot. And today I think we're also going to do a shoot or video portion wearing a nude top, but the first outfit is white. So now I don't have makeup yet, but we're going to do really much lighter makeup today compared to yesterday because we won't be using a really harsh strobe like we did yesterday. So yeah, let's get started with the makeup today. Ta-da! So we're done with makeup, and yes, as I said, just really light makeup because we're not going to use a harsh strobe today. Just, you know, like I think like maybe some ring lights, maybe some soft boxes for the video shoots. So I'm more or less ready. So yeah, let's go back to the EB offices.
Tada! So we're now here at the Everbilena offices and we're of course going to go in. And today is going to be the second day of the shoot. Tada! So I'm done with hair and we're now at the studio area again. And they're testing out their setup. I'm gonna show you the setup. Ayan. Say hi to the vlog! Say hi! Say hi! Say hi!
Tada! So there's actually a helipad at the ABCI offices. So I'm here, yeah, doing some shoot. Yeah, so taking some photos for Instagram. And I will be going back down because I have to wait for my turn. My turn is almost soon. So now they're shooting Micah and I'm next. And yeah, I hope it's gonna go well.
Hanji, say hi to my vlog. Hanji is a makeup artist for today's shoot.
Yes.
And yes, it was very... Kim, say hi to the vlog. Say hi, say hi, say hi. Yeah, say hi. And Kim is actually doing her filming right now. So, Jake is having his makeup, Kim is doing her filming, and I'm about to leave. Yay, that's it for this shoot. Say hi. Hi. Tada, and that's a wrap for our shoot with Hello Glow. So yeah, till the next shoot. And I'll be seeing you soon on my channel in the next video. Bye!